For 6 seasons, Tech for Good has brought you stories of innovation and inspiration from across the globe.
I got a good fin on it.
Wow! Now we're catching up with some of our former guests to see how far they've come, like Max Lee and Joshua Chan. I first met the engineering students in 2023 in Hong Kong. They'd founded a startup, LifeSparrow, working with the city's fire services to develop AI-enabled drones to try to spot missing hikers.
We're going to take pictures of the search area, and then we're going to see if the image is going to pick Max up.
Where is Max?
I think that's him right there, the crosshair.
That's right there, you got him.
Now, 2 years on, they're back in the mountains.
And now we're off.
This time with new tech to spot wildfires all in real time. Today, the team are testing their new drone patrolling system.
We're flying around 40 to 45 meters above ground just to clear all the trees here. So on the left side here, we can see the infrared sensor being turned on. And on the right side, we can have the visual camera's feed coming back to us.
Driven by user prompts, the infrared camera scans the environment, trying to spot this controlled fire lit by a member of their team.
So if we picked up any temperature spikes, or on the right side, we're picking up any type of smoke trails, the server will pick it up, it will detect, and will alert us.
So multiple indicators are available to find out if there's a fire.
Yeah, absolutely.
Now, your technology has developed a lot in the last couple of years. Tell me, how has your tech evolved?
The biggest difference compared to before is we just process everything offline, which means that we cannot react as quickly as currently we do because everything's real time now. And this is good because, for example, for search and rescue or fire detection, all of these kind of things you have to do as soon as possible to save as much life as possible.
The team is now expanding their operations, developing AI models to help with country park maintenance and maritime rescue.
How has being featured on Tech for Good affected your work?
I'll say that it definitely helped a lot on getting our friends and families to know actually what we're doing more. Besides that, it is a quite rewarding experience. Because of the program that's been aired, we do get inquiries and some people that would like to work with us.
We were very happy to be actually helping the public using our technology, and this is actually what we want to do from the start, is to help more people and then try to save more lives so that we can create a better society.